In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate SegMate with PayKickStart. So I know it shows you our logo right here, but this is inside of PayKickstart. When you're inside of PayKickstart, which is a really great affiliate platform, payment system, cart checkout system for your digital products, software, they're really good using them. But what I want to show you is how you can configure your integrations with them. They did a total native integration with SegMate, which was really cool. And I think we're currently the only messenger platform in here. But you're going to go to configure and then you're going to go to integrations. So when you click on integrations, it's going to take you to your integrations tab. So it's going to show you the integrations tab, and under miscellaneous, so you have your payment, autoresponders, email, webinar, analytics, fulfillment, miscellaneous CRM. We're going to be under miscellaneous. So if I go to add integration, you'll come in here and you'll put SegMate. And then from there, you're going to add an account name because maybe you want to connect more than one SegMate account. So you can do more than one. So you're going to name it. And then the next thing you're going to do is use your username and password, and it'll automatically log you into the system. Now, every once in a while, you got to check status. Here, I'm going to click check status. It says integration is correct. So that means it's good to go. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your bot is pre-built and they integrated with multitude of our tools. So they work with both checkboxes, send to messenger buttons, and also the customer chat widget. So you're going to want to obviously build your bot that you want to have created, and this is going to fit inside of the checkout part. So it'll be inside of the cart, side of the checkout part is where those options will live. So you're going to make a bot and then connect those to those subscriber tools. Now, once you have that done, you're going to go over here where it says campaigns. And this is where your campaigns are going to live. And they have different funnels. So I've got our main funnel for SegMate here. So once you're in here, you can see there's going to be both options here. You're going to see that you have your products and your funnels. Your products is where you're going to do your editing, and you can clone, you can add products here. What's kind of cool about cloning is you can clone one you've already built, so it'll save you some time. But then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to create a funnel, and inside that funnel, this is where you want to do the editing for each of those products. So let's look at this product right here, and let's go ahead and manage that product. And this is where you're going to add this option, your check option. And you can choose different products to put inside of here. So we've got our main product, and I'm going to go to checkout option. So you can see we've got 3 products in here, and I'm going to just work with this one right here. So they have this spot here that says Messenger. So I'm going to click on Messenger right here, and I'm going to open this up, and then it's going to ask me which integration. I'm going to click on the SegMate account under my name, and I'm going to pick my fan page. So I've got the Carl Schickert fan page. And then I'm going to pick the type. So do I want to add a checkbox, send to messenger button, or a customer chat widget? So I'm going to go with the checkbox. And then you got to pick the instance. So it's going to load those instance up. And I'm going to pick the bot. So your instance is the bot that you built that's connected to this chat checkbox. So you have the checkbox and then the name of the checkbox, and then you have your bot connected to that checkbox. Now you can also add some text. And you can have that text either right above the checkbox or right below the checkbox. You could have the position to be on the left, right, bottom, or you can put it inside of the form. And it says note floating position will revert back to opt-in form once the messenger touches the form to avoid overlapping. I'm just going to keep it inside the form. You can add tags here if you want to add some tags. This is really neat. So I can add a tag if they click this to fire off a bot that this certain tag would do. It's pulling all of this from inside of SegMate. And you can also remove a tag, which is also another really interesting thing. Now, really cool about this is that you can now set up people that, let's say that they abandon your cart. I can set a tag here that says they clicked on Messenger, but I don't know if they went through the cart and they fired through the cart just yet. So I can now send a bot that's connected to this and also add that little tag that I want. Also in the bot, if they click through a button, then you would know, you ask them the question, did you buy? And then you can untag them from that tag. Now there's more things that will come in the future from this, but it's just built there for now, but there's definitely more things that will come from that. So I'm going to hit save, and should be saving. Let's save. So I can close that out. Just double check to make sure I've got it on. Yep, it's on, and it should be good to go. So now I can go to my checkout URL, and I can go ahead and test this out. So I'm going to go ahead and test that out real quick. Give that a second, and there it is. There's my checkbox living right inside of the checkout itself. Now this is a test mode, so it's not showing me the real time because I haven't turned this on or anything yet, but you can see there's the checkbox. We'll send you updates about your order. And then when I click this complete purchase button, it's now going to, it's gonna send that bot. And if you notice on the bot, I did something really cool. I'll just do this for extra credit. But I put in here first name. Did you pick up the Build-A-Bot mini course? This was the best condensed into a mini course, making it easier for you to follow along. I will get that during the call. I get that during the call. I tend to run through things a bit fast. That was why I decided to cut and edit it up in bite-sized chunks. Plus, that is a great way for learning. Anyways, did you pick it up? Okay, and I can say, did you pick this up? It's giving me a little bit of ways to make it look a little nicer. Did you pick this up? Yes, I got it, thanks. No, I passed on it. So we've got that little thing that's telling us, yes, I got it, no, thanks, I didn't. Now I've got a tag both ways, and then I could bring them back into the cart here, or I could take them to the login page and remind them to bookmark it, so that way they remember how to come back to the course itself. So real simple to do. And if you have any questions with support, just hit us up inside of support. We'll be glad to help you out. You just click this little button here and hit new conversation, and you can talk with us and support. Other than that, I hope this helps you out in the future, and you have a great day. Take care.